this is Librarian Maggie here with a fun spring craft for you. We are going to make flowers out of paper bags today. So what you're going to need are some of these paper bags here. I chose pink. You can pick any color or pattern that you like. Some scissors, a pencil, some possibly yellow paper, or if you want something else, this is going to be the center of your flowers, and a hot glue gun. So make sure that's plugged in to start so it'll heat up. And you're going to start with your paper bags here, and we're just going to basically glue them one on top of the other, is all we're going to do. So you're going to start with the flap down, and that's how we're going to glue all of them, flap down on top of each other. And we're going to just make a T just like this to glue them. So you're not going to glue the whole surface, just a T right in the middle. Okay, so now I have 8 bags put together right now. I just want to see what it looks like so far. So I've seen them done with as few as 6 and as many as 14. So we're just going to open up our flower and see what it looks like. So I think I'm actually going to add maybe 4 more I'm going to add. Okay, so let's see where we're at. That is actually pretty perfect. So what you're going to do now is, before we glue it together, you're just going to roughly draw like a rounded edge, because we're going to cut it down a little bit. So just like that. And we're going to get our scissor here, and you're just going to cut it down. Okay, and I'm just going to fix this up a little bit. It is hard cutting through so many layers. Okay. So now that we have our rounded edge, what we're going to do is we're going to glue our back to our front. So you're going to make another T of glue, and we're going to bring them around and glue them to each other. So it's a little bit hard to see. I'm just gonna come back a little bit so you can get a full view. So here we have our completed flower. So all we're gonna do now is just make a center for it. If you have mini paper plates, you can use those. I do not, so I'm just going to cut a circle out of my yellow cardstock. If you have something you can, use for size here. So I'm going to trace my cup here. And I'm actually going to cut it outside the line a little bit because I could use it a little bit larger. Okay. And now we're just gonna glue it to the middle of our flower here. Just hold it down for a little bit. And there you have it. All you need to do now to hang it up is just get a hole puncher and punch a hole somewhere in the top. And then you can hang it. And there is our gorgeous flower. So I hope you enjoyed this fun, easy craft. And if you make some, definitely show me how you use them to decorate your house. And I will see you guys in our next video.